Oh my god, I look so pretty. Wow, I look so pretty.
Yeah. Let's pack lunch for my picky eating first grader. Miss Ma'am, what would you like today?
Some fries and nuggets.
Fries and nuggets.
I'm so excited for school today. Roar, roar, I'm so pretty. La 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 la, la.
Let's pack some chicken nuggets and fries. Chicken breast chunks.
Chicken breast.
French fries.
Here comes the cocky chicken. I have little is on my head. I'm here. It smells like. Okay, I need to stop. Stop! The chicken breast chicken chunks smells like it came out of the microwave. Bye. I was thinking that
For fruit and snacks, she's gonna have crackers, baby bell cheese, can't forget the Biscoff cookies, apple. She wants me to make tiny sandwiches with the baby bell cheese and crackers, so let's try to do that. How many sandwiches?
No.
Leave her alone, please. We're gonna use this snack box from Melly. Feel like 3 more crackers. She wants cranberry juice, but she doesn't really like the tartness of it, so we usually add pineapple juice. Half cranberry, half pineapple juice. Water. I'm gonna line it with paper towel just to help to keep the fries a little bit crispy. Also, if you send your kids to school with fries, can you comment down below how you actually package the French fries? I would really like that tip. Here's your extra.
Like really hot, like this much hot.
For main lunch, and fries, apples, cookies, and crackers, 2 cheese cracker sandwich, cranberry diluted with pineapple juice, drinkable yogurt. And that's everything I packed for my picky eating first grader. Happy Friday.